Today I will be making part 2 of wedding cake iced latte. Now if you've seen the part 1, I used the buttercream that I had left over to make my iced coffee. I'm going to use regular things to make the iced coffee. Now it's not going to be exactly like part 1. There are going to be some things that was in part 1 that I will incorporate, but not all. And I just feel like, okay, it ain't. Hey! Take it or leave it. I am going to use my instant coffee, my frosting. You need that when you're doing a wedding cake. Some of my heavy whipping cream, milk, my orange extract. Now I only want the zest. I know you can use the zest and the juice from the orange. I just want the zest from that. I'm going to be using the orange extract for that. I'm actually going to be using the juice from the lime as well as zest. And some of my vanilla. I have regular chocolate. I didn't want to use regular chocolate, so I'm gonna be using white chocolate, y'all. Some caramel, even though I can't really taste it in the cake. It was enough, so I'm gonna use the caramel. This is my brown butter, even though it tastes like cookie dough. And I need my salt, powdered sugar. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Okay, so I'm gonna use this again to shake up everything of this instant coffee. I'm gonna put in my brown butter. And I'm just gonna use 1 spoonful. I put that in there. Full of my caramel sauce. I was stuck on that, so I had to like see. I was like shaking it. Alright, now I'm gonna use my white chocolate spoonful. My vanilla and another spoonful. So a spoonful of the powdered sugar. And I know some people like, don't you got enough sugar in there? Obviously not. If you seen the other wedding thing, I just used the buttercreams because they already have sugar in it and it wasn't sweet enough for me. Thank you. I was trying to check somebody. Better go check it. You know, check your heart. Trying to check me. Put that in there. Listen to what the haters say. That's right. And that salt. Now lastly, milk. Gotta be able to shake it up. And then also too, this should help wash down the stuff that's stuck on this funnel. So I shake it again. Put the top on there, shake it up. The orange and the lime is gonna be for the cold foam, y'all. Alright, now I'm gonna taste it because make sure it's sugared up enough for me. Nah. Nah, baby. This ain't enough sugar for me. I'm getting a coffee taste, but I'm not even getting no specific. Probably like notes of caramel. Let me put another spoonful of sugar in here. See, I knew it wasn't gonna be enough. I'm also gonna use another spoonful of that white chocolate as well. Have some more of the powdered sugar. Okay, I shake it up again. I'm gonna taste it. Okay, that's good. Alright, so now I'm gonna make my cold foam. Buttercream, probably 3 tablespoons. Alright, now I'm gonna try to use the zest. Alright, good enough. I don't need all that. Alright, now I'm gonna do the same thing for this lime now. Baby, when I'm telling you smell like a zest party, it's just fully clean. You're not fully clean unless no soap. I got the green and alright, I'm gonna cut less than half and squeeze the juice in here. I'm gonna take my orange extract and put that in there. It just smells like orange, but I don't know, it smells like a lot of alcohol though. I know extra got alcohol in it, but I don't know, it smells like extra, like somebody got heavy-handed with alcohol. Just 1 spoonful of the heavy whipping cream. Another one. So a total of 2. See up close. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble. Okay, I'm gonna pour my coffee down. And sip it in right here. I know some people like, she's still wearing that? Like, come on, you overdoing that. Why you sip? I'm gonna wear it till the series over with, baby. It's not overly sweet, but it's still sweet enough. I'm getting like a tropical type of. Let me mix it up. I don't know if I'm getting citrus, but I'm getting like a tropical. So I stirred it up. I'll taste some more. It's like a tropical citrus. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's that citrus I'm tasting. If I didn't know that I put orange and lime in here, I probably wouldn't be able to say, but I know it's definitely citrus in here. Buttercream that I used to cold foam. I guess when like it's mixed with the ice, it is getting like a little bit, it's a bit of clumpy, but it's not bad. I like the flavors. Hey, what flavor was this? This might have been the white chocolate. Oh yeah, I definitely was getting that brown butter, aka cookie dough. These flavors are good. I probably can't really tell vanilla in here. I can taste that brown cookie dough. I can taste like tropical type of citrus. This is good. I like this better than, which I kind of knew I would though. I don't smell like, you should look at all the sugar you use. Haters gonna say it's AI. It's me, baby, putting it in the. I took it all, baby. This is good. Yeah. Oh yeah, I know a lot of other people making like wedding cake lattes. I know some people like, okay, this ain't some of the ingredients that's like some of the wedding cake lattes that I've seen. And you're not gonna see mine like other people like that. I know mine is something like this. No, I don't gotta do it the exact same way. I did it the flavor that was on the cake that I ordered, and if it wasn't available, they would have gave it to me. So those are some of the flavors of a wedding cake, and that's what I wanted to use. Thank you. Yeah, but I like the creativity with the little garnish. I might like how you used to get the frosting. I think this is all from my wedding cake. I don't know. I might come back in with another flavor. But I doubt it. But yeah, that's it. About it. Yeah, that's it.
A few moments later.
I wasn't planning on doing it. I wanted another part of the iced coffee. So I made it, but without the cold foam. And I actually made it a little different. Okay, somebody didn't really measure it. I used to still use the caramel sauce, the white chocolate, the brown butter, salt. But this time, instead of the cold foam, I put the orange extract in here, and I squeezed the juice from the lime. Added some milk and added 2 things of powdered sugar. So pretty much I didn't put the frosting to make the cold foam. When I tell you, this tastes just like Fruity Pebbles. Come taste them like, I'm not getting like citrus per se. I'm like, what's that? Fruity Pebbles, baby. Because I was like thinking like, okay, it's giving like Fruit Loops or Fruity Pebbles, but it's 2 different things. I love Fruity Pebbles. I'm gonna taste them more like Fruity Pebbles. This is just like it. Oh my goodness. I just want to tell y'all, use all that, baby. That's what you got.